We're here with the 350Z for the very first time at the shop. It's going in for a Tomei rear differential. So that is going to improve handling to a large extent. And it's going to be a 1.5 track differential going in there next to its VQ buddies. Still working out all the handling stuff to make sure it's more of a proper track car before we go into anything crazy ambitious like power-wise or anything beyond that. Mike, are you a red wheels kind of guy?
To be honest, not really, but it works on matte black cars.
Tim, are you a red wheels person?
I'm a red wheels person when it doesn't have work calipers, but it's okay.
Yeah, I agree. You just gotta make those calipers
Silver,
something else.
black.
Yeah, silver.
Something not a primary color.
Follow me. We could have a viewing party.
Oh. Yo!
You know,
Dude, there's a theater. This is like the private VIP booth.
Alright, you guys go for it. This isn't for me.
this looks like a crack pipe central.
Alright, hop in.
They shoved me into there.
I said, you see the writing on the back? Trump is my Hapalagloid.
No, it's not that. It's Trump is my Jesus.
Oh! I didn't even see that last part. Okay.
Trump is my Hapagloid. We could get to work.
Clean it up.
Yeah, you want to get to work? Oh, it's open.
Investigate.
My shoes are clean and that's all mud.
Oh, hello. How are you doing in here? It's
I
just
thought you were saying it's like a person. I'm like,
Tim just runs away.
I thought that was gonna make a much louder noise than it did.
Stay subscribed for future videos if you ever want to know what's in that crate. There could be a homeless man or there could be a midnight purple R34 GTR.
When I bought it, I thought it was red. And then when I brought it here, and I parked next to the cars, and like, everybody's like, oh, it's orange. I'm like, it's not orange, it's red. Parked next to a red car, it's like, it's orange.
Yeah. Go, Jack, go. Hang on, grab onto there. Ah.
Actually help.
Wait, hang on.
That's not a good idea.
Oh, yucky.
So basically there's these little like bars and stuff, and if you gotta walk on those or else the water gets in your shoes.
Or you just freaking fall through.
Yeah, my feet are kind of wet though.
Oh, that was worth it. That's sick.
We out here.
So I just got a call from Intech that's currently taking a look at the Z now. It's never been to a shop before, so taking it to a place like Intech is like basically going for your first ever doctor inspection. You're basically just waiting to see what all bad things about your car they'll probably diagnose and probably find. In my case, the whole underside of the car needs a good amount of work. My diff bushings definitely need to be replaced. My axles fully need to be replaced. I think they're gonna do spark plugs as well. It's just the old Nissan left. You never know what's gonna fall apart or what's gonna happen to be all put together. It's just, it's always a surprise. Is she whispering secret information to you?
Yeah.
The FBI is telling you lies. Okay, who wants to help carry this upstairs?
Is it heavy? That's manual labor.
I assume it's heavy because it's a full seat.
This isn't even like terrible.
Oh my god, Tim doing manual labor.
Oh, yo.
Tim Boomer out here, yo. Let's go.
He doing the lift.
Ladies watching the video, he's single.
I am actually. I don't get into the DMs at blue_M3.
Oh my
I don't know what you're talking about. There's like literally a 0.02 gender of female on this channel.
Yeah, I know. That's all the moms. It's all the moms of the
children.
Of the children that
the
you...
mom's accounts that the children uses.
Yes.
So this is the bonus room so far. What we are going to do today is we're going to set up Logitech's sim rig that they have given us. So on the shelf we have their shift knob, just the casual Xbox, the speaker setup that we're going to use, and then here is their TrueForce G923. This is a seat, this is a play seat rig setup, so it's going to like have the mounting point for the wheel and the pedals.
Yes.
And apparently there is a seat in there.
No way.
Yeah, I know. Look at the size of that box to the size of an actual chair.
There's no way there's a seat in there.
How'd they fit a race seat?
There has to be a seat in there. If not...
Play seat.
We just got scanned.
Alright, well let's open this up and find out.
Come on. Get it off. Jesus Christ. Get it out.
No.
Henry, come out. Pull it out.
Wait, is his name actually Henry?
No!
I actually thought it was Henry. Well,
So all of this is in this tiny box.
how did they do that?
Evolution Alcantara Pro.
You have that new Gucci drip outfit?
Oh my god.
Alright, so as you can see, we're being really productive right now on the sim install. TV, chair, wheel, pedal, gear shifter, all of that. But we don't have a table for the TV to be mounted on. So it's gonna look a little interesting for the first couple weeks here until we get a table for the TV, but we're gonna use that. We got the pedal set. We're gonna enter the shaft into the hole.
Okay, 20 seconds.
Yeah. And boom. So now we got the seat. It's sideways, but it's getting there. You got the gown, the new do, the Alcantara play seat, the Logitech brand new wheel. It's really sick. It lights up. Do you want to do the honors? Do you see the little?
This?
No. You see that? You see that?
Oh,
He's gonna.
I thought you wanted to do it because it's yours.
Okay, I'll do it. Oh, so satisfying. The brand new wheel. 3 pedals, which is needed. Shift knob will be mounted shortly. Imagine a more proper modernized table for that. What's the first thing you're gonna do? What's the first car you're gonna drive? Oh. Oh. That's very appropriate for the paddles. We're out here at Evergreen Speedway again doing some more tracking autocrossing. Today I have taken the Focus. The Z is currently getting worked on. The R32 is not there yet. The R8 is just not the type of car that you want to autocross. That's more like road courses, stuff like that. So the Focus is actually the most ideal car to autocross in here. So I just did a run in the RS, and I had Mike as a passenger, and we apparently crunched a little bit of the front fender, and there's that little dip right there. It's not supposed to be like that. I'm assuming that happened when the wheel was probably turned this way, and then the suspension compressed, and it just probably had nowhere to go, so it just bent in. So we're gonna try and pull it out. That way we could continue to get this thing back out there without rubbing on it, but that's the life when you're stuck on lowering springs and you got the tight, meaty fitment. Oh, that's... Oh! Oh, no way. See if you want to do some more, because it's still in a bit. I'd rather have it out more than in. Boy! it helped. Yo!
And now it's just a little dink. Alright, my turn to ride.
We're gonna fully crack the whole fender. Alright, hopefully whoever buys this car in the long, long future never sees this video. Made it back to Intech now. We are going to be picking up the Z here after it's spent like the past week or two chilling, and here she is. It basically on the outside looks exactly the same as when we sent it in. In fact, you guys probably can't see anything because like 50% of the vlogs it's nighttime and it's dark. Brand new Tomei 1.5 track differential. Basically what that means for people that don't know is that, you know, if I were to do a Bernie or a Drifty or any of that, that means both my rear wheels are going to be spinning now instead of just one of them, because that's what happens on open diffs. New diff bushings. She has brand new rear axles, and I think checked out all the spark plugs, made sure those are all good. Now it's really ready for at least tracking. If I were to go at Autocross again and go try and set a better time, I think the open diff definitely limited me on that. Oh, Intech's so kind. They put little floor papers right there to protect all the dirty feet. I love you guys. Is
realize this is your car at first. I was like, who's this guy in the Z?
I'll park it next to you.
Yeah, for sure.
They're basically the same thing, right? It's a little bubbly two-door. We both got big wings. Same amount of cylinders.
True. They both have mirrors and headlights.
They're both naturally aspirated 6 cylinders.
Oh shit, where's my engine?
That's true.
No, I got the engine delete.
That's true.
So fast.
When you realize it, they're almost the exact same shape for a car literally having the engine at an entire different location. Tim's over here struggling getting the full harness in. Do you need your components?
What?
You have harness only.
Oh. What?
What? Are you kidding me? I got that on video. You bloody wanker! You broke my door handle. Are you serious right now?
Wait, that's too good.
Hopefully that just stays, just like...
Yeah, no, it'll stay, yeah.
Wait, but then how is that?
It was already loose to begin with.
Oh. Whoever did the freaking audio install into the speakers definitely somehow made that loose because they probably took apart the whole door card. That's an F. I'm gonna have to go figure that out.
Whoops.
Alright, get your harness on, boy. You're not dying on me tonight. When you show up and the crowd of teenagers is rushing over. I'll put my brights on them.
I saw you at the mall with your R32 a while ago.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
sick,
were out with a bunch of freaking dudes going on a cruise, and then we lost them. We fell behind. They were supposed to stop here, and they're not here. So
That's sick.
how the hell? How many of you guys? And there's only 2 cars over there.
Yeah, it's like a
You guys
car
are clown
situation.
car in there. God damn.
Picture of the car?
Yeah, go for it. You can take whatever you need. What grade are you guys all in? I think they're in 11th. I heard a bunch of mumbles.
Yeah,
of
11th.
11th grade. Yo, 350Z getting some love right now.
Yeah, I know, right? This is
The
great.
last car I would ever think. I'm guessing by the sound this is gonna be a black R34. Yes! My sounds are on point. Yo, it's a Chevy Impala. That thing carries.
So there's an underpass there, and then this dude's towing a bus.
Should we be in this lane?
Oh no, he has a... that's like...
Oh.
That's like a foot or 2 off.
How does he know that, like, oh yeah, this is clearable? Maybe done it before?
I don't know, dude.
Wild. Ultra.